Hello, grade 1 French immersion students. Today we will be talking about how to post a new discussion topic thread. So me, the teacher, Madame Petrovsky, I will have discussion topics already posted, and what you will need to do is start a new thread. So the first thread, if you go to the very top of the menu, instead of being under content, you will click on discussions. And once you click on discussions, it will bring you to all the discussions that we have. And then we just scroll down to the discussions that I have already posted. And under Madame Petrovsky, the first discussion post I've posted is student introductions. So I already posted my own student introduction with a video along with it. And if you click on that topic name, student introductions, it will take you to the entire student introduction I made. So the teacher introduction I said. So in here, I explained what you have to do. You have to introduce yourselves and state your name, your grade, your favorite hobby, your favorite food, and anything else you would like to share that is interesting or fun. If you post a video or audio file, I just said that just to keep it to maximum 2 minutes in length, or if you don't want to post a video or audio file, you can just write it out in here. So what you do is you click Start a New Thread underneath mine. You enter the subject, so you can call it Student Introductions, or you can either enter your name. So we can say Student A, for example, and in here, if I click on the body of the text, and in here, if I didn't want to post a video or audio file, I would just start writing my discussion post thread, so the introduction of myself. So, hello, my name is Student A. I am 7 years old. My favorite food is pizza, etc. So I'm just going to delete that for now. If you wanted to do a video file, right here on the play sign, if you click it, a pop-up will come and you can either add a video note right then and there using your webcam if you have one, or if you already pre-recorded a video, you can add it from your computer or other files. For example, if you saved it on YouTube, or if you have a link or an embedded code to it. So that's what you can do. There's various options. If you do want to do the video note, I would just say add video note, this one clicking right here, and then it enables you to start recording using webcam. So my webcam automatically turns on, and then I'm able to start recording. So if you just go down and you say new recording, it starts recording you live right then and there, and then you can stop it, and then it saves automatically. So I'm just going to cancel because I already did mine. So what you would do here now, if you posted a body of information about yourself, you would have to click post, and that thread gets created automatically right then and there. So I'm not going to post one. I'm going to hit cancel because I already did one for the teacher for myself. There's mine, as you can see. So what you will do is right underneath mine, you will say start a new thread, like I said, and you'll be able to write your own student introduction or post a video of your introduction or audio file, whichever you feel comfortable with. So I look forward to seeing your student introductions. Thank you.